Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. The first thing you need obviously is an account, so you can go ahead and sign up. If you want to support me, you can use the link down in the description and we will both get $5 for free. Now to sign up, just like any other investing app, you're going to need a valid ID and all that stuff, but the process is very quick and very straightforward. You'll sign up for Cash App and then you'll come to Bitcoin, which is now down here in the bottom right corner. You may need a little bit more information to participate in the investing sections. They go ahead and they get people signed up for this stuff pretty fast, so nothing to worry about there. So I have tons of videos about this. I'm going to be making a ton more. When you open up the app, you come to the peer-to-peer payment screen. You can't really do much here with investing. It's just to send money back and forth to people. The next main thing you'll want to do is go to the banking screen, which is going to be the tab in the bottom left corner. By the way, my Cash App might look a little bit different. I'm on dark mode. If you're not on dark mode, you'll probably see white on this screen, green on some of the other screens, but it's the same app. Once you're here, you'll need to connect your banks and credit cards and things of that sort. And then you can tap add cash or cash out. This is how you send money to and from your bank. So if you don't have any cash in here, you're going to want to add cash to your cash balance. Once you have cash in your cash balance, you can use that cash with their debit card, with their stock investing, with their Bitcoin investing, things like that. So on the Bitcoin screen, we have a nice little daily chart here. You can go to the weekly, the monthly, the yearly, the all-time. Check those out as you wish. It's going to give you your Bitcoin wallet address. Yes, this is an actual wallet. It's a legitimate app, a legitimate company. They're doing big things in the Bitcoin space. CEO Jack Dorsey is a major supporter of Bitcoin, so that's why I choose to talk about this app rather than some of the other ones that don't have like real wallets and stuff like that. So they've got a news section, your total Bitcoin owned, the current price of Bitcoin, all of your activity, all of this stuff. Up at the top, you'll see $3,571. That's the amount of Bitcoin that I own in US dollars. Right below that, you'll see 40,167. That's the current price for one Bitcoin. And if we scroll down here, you'll see Bitcoin owned, and that'll show that I own 0.08895,145 Bitcoin. So if you ever want to see exactly how much you own, just check it there. Now let's get into buying. All you want to do is tap the buy button. You can tap one of these amounts, or you can tap the three dots and type an amount that you want. There's also some other options for more advanced custom order types. We'll get into that in a different video. I'm just going to tap buy, tap $1 like I do every single day, buy $1 of Bitcoin. Now I'm going to tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. You can see that there is a 3% fee on this purchase. I believe the fee is smaller if you purchase larger amounts. This is not something that I'm worried about. I just think they make it really simple to do. Everything is right here, so this works out well for me. Just tap confirm. And just like that, we've purchased $1 more of Bitcoin. Tap done. Real quick, so you can see the Bitcoin that was added. My Bitcoin owned is now 0.08897,558. So just a little bit of Bitcoin purchased today, but we're buying every day, so it definitely adds up. You can see down in the bottom left corner of the app, I did have $3. Now it went down to $2. Remember I said on that screen, that's where you can add cash, cash out, kind of send money back and forth to your bank account. So if I wanted to sell some Bitcoin, I could tap the sell button, tap one of these amounts, or tap the three dots and type in the amount. Like let's say I want to sell $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details there, and I could tap confirm. Now I'm not going to sell any right now, but that's how you would do it. And when you sell, that $1 would go to your balance down here in the bottom left on that banking screen, and then you could send it back to your bank or do whatever you want to do with it. That's just where you keep your cash balance on that banking screen. So there you have it. That's the rundown, the simple tutorial for how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you like Bitcoin. I'm gonna be making a lot more videos on it. It's something that I'm excited about. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.